Now, what if I want to use variables more than once? Let me use this SQL. Here, I use the same variable name twice. And let's see how Oracle reacts. It's asking for the value vname1 first. I'm going to give. Now, it's asking for a value for this variable, even though it's of same name, which is ampersand vname1, it is still asking for a value for that variable. Let me give a different one. I given st for the first one, sm for the second one, and let's see how Oracle interprets. So what just happened is the first variable vname1 has been replaced with st, and the second variable, even though it has the same name, still got replaced with a different character string that we passed. So the SQL got translated into this, where first name like st or last name like sm. So if you look at the result, these three appear because the first name is like st, and the final two rows appear because the last name starts with sm. Now, what if I want to use the same variable names, but I don't want Oracle to prompt me twice? For that, I can use double ampersand like this. Okay, here I used double ampersand vname1 and single ampersand vname1. So let me pass the value yes t here. What happened was the first double ampersand variable took the value st and it automatically passed it to the next variable, which is single ampersand vname1. So using this method, I can avoid Oracle prompting for each and every variable. Here if you look at the where clause is first name like st or last name like st. So then you get the first three rows that match the first condition. Actually, the last row matches both the conditions. Now, here if you notice, whenever a substitution happens, you would see the old value here and then the new value here. We can turn it off by doing set verify off. Okay, let me undefine vname1. Okay, I'm going to pass the value. It did the replacement, but however, it did not show the old value and the new value. You can obviously turn it on by doing set verify on. Let me undefine vname1. Okay, now it shows the old value and new value. Thank you for watching.